I'm back. Now we're gonna start it all over again, the part of this video. So I've already mixed the major ingredients, the onion, garlic, and the ginger, apple, and the red chili pepper. And then, so I forgot to slice some of this, so I'm gonna do this quick. Actually, you can cut this separately later and then put it on top of your kimchi along with the other chili pepper. But I want it to be mixed first. I mean the half of it, so that the colors of my kimchi will be excellent. So because you know, in making kimchi you have to at least put a spice in it and mix it with different colors, and you can put a green, red, and yellow colors in your kimchi, which is very, you know, when you look at it, it looks delicious and at the same time amazing. But you know, we have to just mix them. Mix. Actually, my mixer is too small for all of this, so I'm gonna transfer it into bigger bowl and put all of it. And first, you have to put all the ingredients in your mixing bowl, the bigger one. I want to use this container because at least it's deeper. And now this time I'm gonna put my sliced radish. This is the radish, the last one. No, actually it's not the last one, so I'm gonna, oops, be careful because there's some water, so I'm gonna use my hands because I prefer using my hands instead of using gloves. They said when you use your hands in mixing your kimchi and preparing your kimchi, it is more delicious. But I'm not sure if it's true, but this time I'm gonna squeeze in some lemon, half of my lemon. Oh, I forgot to remove the seeds. So first you have to get rid of the seeds because it's bitter if once you mixed it. And then don't forget, when you make kimchi, you have to get rid of all the negative thoughts in your mind, because they said you must be happy in preparing kimchi because you're preparing this for your loved ones. So better delete all unnecessary files in your brains. So be positive and inspired in making your kimchi for you to have a beautiful and tasty outcome of your kimchi. Actually, it's not beautiful, I'm just using the word beautiful, but actually you can use, you can be just inspired, so it will turn out delicious. That's what I mean with beautiful. Sorry for the word, I'm just running out of some adjectives in describing this. Okay, I'd rather put more garlic because I added 2 tablespoons. You can see. So if you can see this kind of mixture still pale, you can add little more gochujara. We call that gochujara. It's the red chili powder. So I'm not satisfied with the color. You can see the color is still pale, and so I'm gonna add more chili powder. Okay, let's try 1 spoon more. So I'm gonna do this quick in order for me to have, oh, I think I forgot something. Okay, this one, sauce. I bought this in the market, and this is made from fish extract. So they said it's delicious, but actually it's true, it's delicious. It's from Pangasinan. Normally, fish sauce coming from Pangasinan are more delicious. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Oh, I forgot to mention that before you use the radish, you have to, I don't know what you call the process, but you have to pour some salt. Later I'm gonna find a word.